Hi and welcome to Screencasts Online. My name is Richard and today we're going to be looking at Yoink for Mac and iOS. So Yoink for Mac and iOS is a small utility application that allows you to drag files into a temporary holding area so that you can move them to another application swiftly and easily. Yoink's been covered in the past on Screencasts Online, but it's had a recent update and I thought it was high time that we recovered this very useful utility. So sit back, relax, and let's discover what's new in Yoink for Mac and iOS. So to download and install Yoink for Mac, you have to head on over to the Mac App Store. This is the only place that this application is available apart from the demo version, which I'll show you in a second. So just do a quick search for Yoink on the Mac App Store and it will take you to this page here. You can have a quick look through, have a look at some of the videos that show you some of the features of the application, and then when you're ready you can click on download and install. So if you're not quite sure whether or not you want to splash out on the money for Yoink for Mac, head on over to Safari and do a quick search for eternalstorms.at, and then you can head on over to the page for Yoink for Mac. And just scrolling down, it gives you some information about whether or not this application is for you. And if you're willing to just download a demo from the site, you can do so here, and that'll give you an indication of whether or not this application is suitable for you. Just out of interest, John Gruber says that Yoink is a terrific utility, and also Federico Vitici also endorses this application. So what can you say from two beardy guys? Download it off the Mac App Store now. So once you've done that, we'll come back and we'll have a look at the preferences.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.